What's up, YouTubers? Welcome back to my channel. It's good to see you guys again. I got a garage tip for you. You ever have one of these? A lawnmower, you don't know what's going on. You hit the key, sometimes it turns over, sometimes it turns smoothly, sometimes it don't. You change the battery, you've changed the solenoid, you've changed the starter. Well, these overhead valve engines, all of them, they need a valve adjustment most of the time. I just picked this up for a few $100, cut my lawn with, and it's had hard starting, hard time. Most people go with the battery and starter first and whatever, but I've been around these motors so much and equipment. Always check your valves. I don't have a feeler gauge today, but I just pulled off my valve cover. Let me see if I can let you guys see this. This is, you don't have to get 100% precise, but if you see that cylinder, it's about to fall off. That's about top dead center. I spun the motor by hand, waited for both of these to get about equal. And this one, look at that gap. It's supposed to be about maybe 3 to 5 thousandths of an inch. So I'm going to loosen that up with a Torx, which I have right here. T20. I think the outside nut is a 10. You can just snug it up, give it some space, maybe put a sheet of paper in there or two, and this is pretty much the valve adjustment you'll need. You can go to manufacturer's specs and get a feeler gauge if you want, but I'm going to adjust that, and I'm going to see how this thing turns over after.